Well, hello guys, in this video I will show you how to connect CD on your Volkswagen Golf. It's really simple to do. First of all, let's go and head up and start the car, all right? And make sure to wait till the signal is gone when you have started. Look for the dashboard that nothing is appearing, the error message. If you have so, you need to probably take your car to the dealership and then ask for help. But yeah, to connect the CD, first of all, head up to your screen and then click on media section here top, and then click on the bottom left corner where you see a jack logo or Bluetooth logo. Click on it, and then once you have clicked that, so it will appear a CD logo. You can see this. But if you don't know where to put the CD, so basically you have to head up to the passenger side and then open this section here, and then here you can basically put your CD. And once you have put your CD down here, it will basically appear here that CD has been connected to your car. So it will allow you to click on the CD, and either way, it's a film or a song that you want to listen to through CD, you can do that. Yeah, and I hope this was a helpful video for you guys, and if you need any kind of help, you can ask me on the comment section below. Till then, I'll catch you in the next one.